Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am traveling to Brampton from Gulf. Right now I am at Gulf and I am going to Brampton through Go Buses. And in this video I will let you know the whole procedure and some information which are required to be known before traveling through Go Buses. So here we go. So if you have a Presto card like I am having it, so this is a Presto card. You can get this card. Let me zoom it on. Oh, I don't know. So this is a Presto card. If you have, then you just require to put it here like this, and it will scan it. Then you have two options: either to load your Presto card with some money, or you can buy Go tickets. So right now my card is already loaded, so I don't want any money to be get in it. So I will show you the simple procedure. So like this, click on here, sorry, then add value. It will take some time. Yeah, now you can add 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and other amount of money in that. After selecting the money, you have to click it here. Then you have to pay the money either by coins, your debit or credit card, your bank notes, that is currency. And here is the machine where you have to put your debit card or credit card and enter the pin and get it done. So it was a simple process. Sorry, I forgot to mention from where I got this card. You can get this card from Shoppers Drug Mart. These drug marts are everywhere available in Ontario or in all over Canada, or else you can buy this card from the Go bus stand. So this is a Go bus stand behind me, but I got this card from Shoppers Mart, and they charged me around $6 for it. Now I am waiting for my bus, so it's arrived here. Let's go. I have entered into my bus. It's a kind of a double decker bus, and I want to mention one thing, which is once you enter into bus, you have to tap this card, this Presto card, in the machine, and once you go out from this bus, you have to tap it again. So basically, they charge you on the basis of the distance you travel. This is the display from where you will got to know about the upcoming stops. Do keep a track on this so that you shouldn't miss your stop. And one thing more, in order to stop this bus, you have to press this button, and once you press this button on the screen, you will see a stop requested. Finally, I came back home, and now I want to tell you 3-4 points, just an information which you should keep in your mind before you travel through any bus in Canada. So number one is, if you are having bicycle along with you and you also have to travel through bus, then you can carry your bicycle along with you. Just one thing you should have to do is just put that bicycle on the of bicycle carrier which you can find on the front of the bus. You can see in the corner, I have posted a picture. Second thing is, if you are using a local bus and you want to stop that bus at the bus point or stop point, then you have to pull a yellow wire which you can find all around the bus. And the other way to stop the bus is just to press the stop button which you can find on the pole in the bus. Third thing is, in Go buses you can use free Wi-Fi. I have posted a picture in the corner from which you will came to know how to connect your Wi-Fi if you are going to travel through Go bus. And finally, fourth point is, in Go bus you have to tap your Pestro card 2 times, one at the time of entry and second at the time of exit. But in local transit you are not required to tap your card twice. It's only required once you enter, and you are done. You don't have to tap once you go up. So this was my experience. I hope you like this video, and I request you to kindly share this video with your friends and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. And one thing more, if you want any other information, you can let me know in the comment box below. I can make a video on that. Thank you. Have a good day.